If you would like to tell the story as I'm telling it, may I encourage you to start. Start! Exclamation point. If you feel you aren't qualified, forget it. A man or woman who tells me that he feels or she feels qualified to do it, I would suggest to them that, a man or woman who tells me that he feels or she feels qualified to do it, I would suggest to them, wait a while. It's when you feel that you're inadequate. As Paul said, why should I? As Moses said, why should I? He stuttered. The other had a thorn in his side, and no one who does this work when they start really feels that he's qualified. So don't wait until you are ready 100%. Just start. It will come. I'll never forget when I started teaching at the Learning Light Foundation. I think it was 1993, maybe early 94. And I met my teacher in 91, September. So some of these classes got so full, man. Oh my gosh. I'm up there shaking like a leaf, wondering what I knew the material. So I felt qualified, but I did not feel qualified. It's exactly what he's saying. It's when you feel inadequate. And so I would look at 20-something. They were always women, all women. It was always 20-something women, 28 girls in there. I was teaching tarot at the time. I did numerology classes, tarot classes. I did all these classes. And I look at this crowd going, how am I supposed to teach you? Oh, man. Yes, it's when you're inadequate. It's the time to do it. Yes, for sure. It's kind of exciting, actually. I love being a neophyte at anything and everything. I love being a neophyte tourist. That's the word I meant to use. So, don't wait until you think you are ready 100%. Just start. It will come. All it needs is sincerity on your part. If you really want to do it, do it. Don't ask anyone to ordain you. Not in this work. There is no one who ordained Moses or ordained Paul. He simply started. He believed it, he tried it, he proved it, and then he told it. That's like 4 major pillars right there. He believed it, he tried it, he proved it, and then he told it.